In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. This is a great way to give your store a clean and modern design that blends beautifully with banners and hero images. So let's get started. First, open the Pastabin link that contains the custom code for the transparent header. Once you're on the page, copy the entire code snippet because you'll need to paste it into your Shopify theme files shortly. Now head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store from the left side menu. This is where all your theme customization settings are located. Next, locate your active theme and click on the three dots beside it. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code to open the Shopify code editor. Inside the code editor, use the search bar on the left side and type theme to quickly locate the theme.liquid file. Click on theme.liquid to open it. Now scroll down through the file until you find the closing body tag. This is where you'll place the custom code you copied earlier. Paste the code directly above the closing body tag to ensure the transparent header effect loads properly across your store. Once you've pasted the code, click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply the changes. After saving, click Exit and then select View Your Store to preview the result live on your website. You should now see a transparent header displayed on your Shopify store, giving your site a more sleek and professional appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added a transparent header to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.